Universal has added something new to Islands of Adventure. However, not everyone's going to be able to use it. Hey, what's going on everybody? Rick here, and I'll show you what I mean by that comment in a moment. But first, this is your weekly update video. Let's go see what's new at Islands of Adventure. The 2-park Unlimited Express Pass is going for $220 today. And here in the port of entry, I see a sign here. Looks like Hagrid's not open at the moment, but will open later in the day. There's something new to show you in the Wizarding World, but we don't have to wait until we get there because they are also here in the Trading Company. New 2nd generation magical wands. 4 of them, they're right here. Let me give you a closer look at them. Here's one, a black one with a fancy grip. This one here, just like the black one, but it's red. Look at that. The 3rd one looks like this. Take a closer look at the handle there. Look at the back of it. And there's one more to show you. And here's the sister wand to the one you just saw, but instead of a red stone inside, it's a green one, and it's brown instead of white. But I have more to tell you about these wands once we get into the Wizarding World. In the last update video, I showed you all of the new butterbeer merchandise for butterbeer season. Just wanted to let you know that it's also here at the Trading Company. In fact, we're going to go right today so that we can get to the Wizarding World a little quicker. It is a beautiful March day here in Central Florida, and we are starting to enter spring break season. Nikki's school will be on spring break in a couple weeks. I'm not sure about every school district in the country, but I would expect an uptick in attendance with spring breaks starting to happen. And I would expect spring break / Easter break to last all the way through around the end of April, let's say April 28th, somewhere around there, as Easter is April 20th this year. So it also gets very crowded right around Easter. Look up top of here. Look at the top of the carousel. I'll zoom in. I don't know if that has spun in a while or is it this one over here. But I'm just now noticing those things spinning. So maybe they haven't always been spinning. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you know anything about these spinning features on top? For some reason they caught my eye today. Also catching my eye for the first time over here by the Cat in the Hat ride. Look at these little steps that lead to a little doorway. Something else I'm noticing for the first time. The High in the Sky trolley is only a 15-minute wait. They are running both tracks today, the purple track and the teal track. Reminder, it is the teal track that goes through the Circus McGurkus restaurant. And you can, if they're running both trolleys, request one track or the other. Don't be shy, speak up. So the Islands of Adventure, each one kind of based on books, but the Lost Continent, more like a short story now that it doesn't have any attractions. Or should I use the word rides instead of attractions? Because there is a character dance show and meet and greet, and some people consider the Mystic Fountain over here an attraction. And I guess if you're going by a strict definition of the word, it is an attraction. And now into the Wizarding World to show you what I mean by that teaser statement I made at the beginning of the video. Oh my goodness, Hogsmeade Village is crowded today. Hagrid's motorbike is a 95-minute wait. But that's not the most important thing to show you in here today. I'll show you that right now. To the left of Hogwarts Castle is a new magical wand spot. It's right near the lockers. Right there. But this magical wand spot comes with a caveat. You must use the second generation wand that I showed you earlier in the video at the trading company. They also sell them here in Hogsmeade, but your original wands don't work with this magical wand spot. It must be the second generation wand. Actually, it helps you to train for duels. That's just a dummy wizard in there. You get the duel started by doing the motion on the medallion on the ground there, and then the rest of the duel is completed by following the movements in that little screen. The new second generation wands are $85. We do believe at Epic Universe you will be able to use your original first generation wand, but the magical wand spots, they're going to have features that only the second generation will unlock. So it's kind of like having to upgrade your smartphone. You need to upgrade your wand now to use all the features and see everything that can be done in the magical wand spots at Epic. You can get those second generation wands here at the Owl Post or at this outdoor kiosk near the stage, which is currently having the Tri-Wizard Pep Rally. Give the video a thumbs up if you're excited for the second generation wands. Give the video a thumbs down if you are not. But either way, leave me a comment telling me why. By the way, welcome to Jurassic Park. And by the way, the VelociCoaster is the same wait time as Hagrid's. So I've been talking to team members who have been visiting and previewing Epic Universe. I'm getting very, very positive reports. However, the last person I just talked to moments ago said that Stardust Racers was less intense than the VelociCoaster. We'll just have to judge that for ourselves in May. Popeyes and Bluto's barges still closed. Should be reopening March 16th. If there's a delay with that reopening, I will let you know. Let's pop on into Marvel Superhero Island. Busy, busy day as Spider-Man is up to a 60-minute wait. Oh my goodness, I think there's a new food item here at the Daily Bugle, snacks and drinks. This is the pizza dog. 100% beef dog, a Nathan's hot dog, tomato sauce, pepperoni, mozzarella, baked in house-made dough. $10.99. I'm hoping it's as good as the Shrek dog that they have over there at DreamWorks Land, but I don't think it's going to be, but only one way to find out, that's to eat it. With the first bite, I didn't get any hot dog, but I can say this, the dough is phenomenal. Okay, all done with the rest of the dog. What do I think about it? Beyond the fact that the pretzel dough bun is awesome. Well, the hot dog itself, of course, being a 100% all beef Nathan's hot dog, was tremendous. Overall, I do like that dog a lot. With the sauce though, I felt like it got a little too saucy and the hot dog got a little too sloppy and messy. So for me, I would still rank Shrek's dog, the swamp dog, ahead of this dog, but this dog is pretty good. I do give it a thumbs up. I think we'll just end the video here with that food review. I will be doing a Universal Studios update video in a couple of days, so be sure you're subscribed. Until then, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Explore the description box on the way out.
It's gonna be a good day, Rick and Nikki show the way. It's gonna be a good day.